Online account access makes managing your finances easier than ever before. Here is an overview of some key features and where you can find them. To begin, all members logging into online account access for the first time will need to click on First Time User and create a new username and password, even if you were registered with our previous system. After you log in, you can get a quick look at your accounts, easily find where to make any transactions you may need, and quickly connect to a variety of services. Here, you'll see all your favorite accounts listed. To customize what accounts appear here, as well as the order they appear in, simply click the gear icon. You can also create shortcuts to online account access features you use regularly by customizing your favorite features here. Click on the Pay and Transfer menu to manage funds transfers, including scheduling automatic transfers, making payments from your checking account, and even stopping payments on checks. Online account access makes paying your bills online easy. Here's how. Click Bill Pay to get started. To set up a new recipient for bill pay, click Add a Payee, which is any person, business, or organization to whom you pay a bill. Once you add a payee, they will be listed here. You can sign up to get regular payment reminders for bills you pay electronically too. When you want to pay a bill, simply click the Pay button next to the recipient and enter a few details. You can even pay multiple bills at once by clicking here and selecting who you want to pay. Scheduling automatic payments is easy too. Click here to check on all of your pending payments, or here to check on a single payment. And if you need to cancel a pending payment, you can do it right here. Use bill pay notifications for useful reminders of payment activity. If you wish to change the account you're using for bill payments, click Account Settings. Explore the Member Services menu for some useful resources that can give you a closer look at your finances. The Go Mobile menu is the place to start if you want to take advantage of our text banking feature. With text banking, you can check your balances and make transfers easily by sending text messages to your online accounts. When you enroll, you can also choose to receive e-alerts about your accounts. Sign up for e-alerts and text notifications here, so you're automatically notified about account balances, certain transactions, loan payments, and more. You can customize the preferences to meet your needs. We understand how important it is to save time and money, so we've made applying for loans and lines of credit, saving money, and opening new accounts more efficient than ever. It all starts at the New Accounts menu. The Message Center is where you can send and receive secure messages with Transportation Federal Credit Union staff. Remember to always keep your personal and financial information secure and watch out for fraud. You can also personalize your online account access here. If you have more than one account, you can upload different photos to help differentiate between the two at a glance. We invite you to explore online account access and all the features and benefits available to you.